Hi, this is Lisa Olinda from Olinda Services. Today we're answering the question, how do I change my default admin username in WordPress? I've been talking in recent blog posts about how the security on your WordPress blog is so important. So today I want to show you a basic trick on how to change the standard admin login, which is what brute force attackers are going to try first when they try to hack into your site. So if you go into your users, most people have admin as when they first create their site. That is the default, and that's what hackers use. So what you want to do is you want to create a new user. Here I went in and I created one, called it blog admin. I've changed the role. It will default at subscriber. I changed it to administrator, put in my name. You'll have to use an email address different than your original. My original was olindaservices@gmail.com, so I changed it to my Lisa@olindaservices.com. And of course, you can fill in all your biographical information, and you'll need to create a password. I recommend you create a strong password because when these computer robots are hacking into your computer, their software is very powerful, and you want to make sure you have a really secure password. So you update your user. And what you would need to do is you would need to log in or log out and then log back in using your new password. So I'm going to log out of here. So I'm going to log in with my new username and my new password. And then I'm going to go back into users and I'm going to delete my old admin. And I'm going to have posts that were attributed to admin, so I'm just going to put them all as Lisa Olinda. So then I confirm. So now my only user is blog admin for lisaolinda.com.